Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mr. Hospital. Today we're going to section 7-2, solving multi-step equations. The steps to these are very similar to our last one when we had to solve two-step equations. We just add two steps to the front of it. So step 1 is we have to distribute. Whenever there's parentheses, we have to distribute what's outside into them. Step 2, we have to combine like terms. A like term is a term with the same variable part on it. So something like 2x and 3x are like terms, and we would combine those and we would get 5x. Step 3, 4, and 5 are all the same as last night's. Reverse addition and subtraction first, then reverse multiplication and division, and then you can check, which is optional. So example 1, there's no parentheses, so we don't have to distribute, but step 2, we would have to combine like terms, and we have an m plus 2m, so we get 3m minus 4 equals 14. Then I have to reverse addition or subtraction, so this is a minus 4, so I'm going to reverse it with a plus 4, cancel out, plus 4, and I get 3m equals 18. And I have to reverse multiplication, so I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides, and I get m equals 6. If I wanted to check this, I can just put m back into my original equation and see if it comes out to 14. Example 2, we have to distribute first. So we have a minus 3, we have to distribute into the parentheses. So I get negative 3 times 4y equals negative 12y. Negative 3 times a positive 2 is a negative 6. And then I still have the plus y on the outside of the parentheses. Now I need to combine like terms. I have a minus 12y and a positive y. So negative 12 plus 1 gives me negative 11y. Minus 6, and that's still equal to 38. If I want to solve this, I want to reverse my addition and subtraction first, so get rid of the number without the variable. So I say plus 6, cancels out, plus 6, I get 44 equals negative 11y. Then I have to reverse multiplication, I say divide by 11, negative 11, divide by negative 11, and I get negative 4 equals y. And again, I can plug that back in for any y in my original equation and see if I get the answer to 38. Number 3 is a word problem. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 96. Find the integers. So first, let's understand the problem. 3 consecutive integers. Consecutive means one right after the other, so something like 2, 3, and 4 would be 3 consecutive integers. An integer is any number that's not a decimal or a fraction. So if we look now, we need 3 consecutive integers. We don't know what they are, so I'm going to say let x be my first integer. And then if I look, so if we just take 2, 3, and 4 for example, if I say x is the first one, x plus what gets me to my second one, so I say x plus 1 equals my second integer. Okay, because if we get from 2 to 3, we add 1 to it, so x plus 1 gave us 3. And then if I look, so if I start with x again, x plus what gets me to my fourth one? 2 plus 2 got me to 4, so x plus 2 equals my third integer. Okay, so I have my first integer is x, my second one is x plus 1, my third one is x plus 2. And if I look, I'm finding a sum. So sum means addition, so I'm going to add them all. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equals my sum of 96. So I don't need to distribute anything here, but I can combine like terms. I have 1, 2, 3 x's. So I'm going to combine that. And then I have 1 plus 2, so 3x plus 3. Equals 96. Then I have to solve this. I minus 3, I minus 3, so I get 3x equals 93, divide by 3, and I get x equals 31. That's not my final answer because I need to find 3 integers. So x, my first integer, equals 31. My second one, if I do x plus 1 equals 32. My third one, x plus 2 equals 33. So that would be my final answer, 31, 32, and 33. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.